You notice he didn't look either. Fucking hell play out wanker. That's some London biker tactics, that, just going across the lanes and not looking. And I mean that as in, like, when I watch premises videos, it seems like all these scooter drivers and that do it to him. What is that? No way. What is that? Reminds us of is it Dukes of Hazzard? I'm sure one of the guys from there has the bull horns on his car. Fucking wanker. Looks like we both didn't see each other there. The thing I like about bikes is on hills you've got your foot brake, so it's like easy to. Oh, she's on her phone as well. Look, texting. Oh, it's Facebook Messenger. Must be important. Don't know if I could reach my head far enough for that, but he was on his phone. Clear as day. Is it just me, or is it people with like the iPhones, you know, how they all have like the ridiculously obvious colours? Like, is it just me, or is it people with them that hold the phones up, just not a care in the world whilst driving? It's like, come on man, you got like a rose gold coloured phone, you can see it from a mile off. Damn, dude. Hello. It's easy to be less scared of the wet when you're geared up, but at the minute, just got bloody suit pants on. No! Fucking hell. He just kept coming out, huh? Like, stop man, stop, please! Slowest crash ever. Brake with a pillion. Like, it just doesn't seem to slow down. Oh, they just kissed. The guys in the front car. Yeah. No, in the car in front. Little lovebirds. Yeah. DIDNT. First time I've had that happen.